Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing good. I have an excited package today. I finally ordered my first Hero Arts monthly subscription kit. I don't think I subscribed to it. I think I just ordered it like that. So I want to start from the beginning because I feel like I never seen somebody open the box, like to show the box. Look at like how pretty they do the box. This package is happy to see you. I love that. I think that's awesome. Creativity in a box. I cover this, and I want to open this with you. This is my first kit ever. I have, you obviously always see on the pictures what is gonna be inside, but I don't know. I used a code with this. I think it was Hero 15, and I got some discount. I think I got like $15 off the kit. I don't remember exactly, but I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna see. Maybe it still works. I cannot promise you guys because I ordered this, I think at the beginning of the month, or when it came out. I ordered it right away the same day that it came out. And I don't know. I found the discount code somehow on the internet. Let me just take a look quick. Yes, it was $15 discount. So let me cover this quick. Here you can see that I had $15 off of $35, which is awesome. I mean, that was great. I paid $20 for that kit, which is like, wow, what a deal, right? Okay, so this is how it looks. I think this is probably the one that I ordered extra. Yes, I ordered this one because I have the stamp set. And then I needed sorry, I'm moving. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, I have the stamp set of this, so since I had free shipping, I might as well just order this, which is super cute. It's smaller than I thought. I love it. Can't wait to use it. Okay, so there is that, and let's go to this. There's always this creative bug. I'm wondering if somebody, some of you have used this before, because I never have used it. I wonder if this is these items here, if this is a kit or set. Anyways, I have never used that. Okay, so here we got some pearls that comes with. That's cute. And then we got the ink pads, the ink cubes. And then let me open this. I mean, like I say, obviously you can see it on the picture, but I think it's so much different to do this like actual having the product. For example, I didn't really never measure how big it would actually be, the paper, and the paper looks pretty small to me. Ooh, okay, I like this. This stuff it's like the glitter paper. Ooh, it feels so nice, but it's like not those paper glitter that it will fall. So this is nice. There is 2 sheets. What's this? Let me measure it for some of you that maybe wants to know. Okay, it measures 8.5 by 5.5. Okay, and then we got this color here. There's no names on the back. This feels like a piece of paper, and then they take tape and threw the glitter in the tape, and then it sticks there. So I got this one. They look kind of like the same, but they don't at the same time. Okay, and then we got this color. Okay, so this is the color for that. Let me put it like this for some of you that want to see it. And then we got this cube inks that I want to be trying out. Okay, and then we got here, okay, let's see, let me just check it. There's nothing else in the box. I can put this away now. Okay, look at this stamps. Oh my god, that is so cool. I mean, here says what it has, but I never look at that. Okay, so that is so nice. What a lot of words. Give thanks, happy harvest, let's get cozy, thankful for you. And you can use this not only with this kit, you can use this like outside, you know, this kit. Fall greetings, it is pumpkin spice season, have a spooky Halloween, you're my favorite pumpkin, happy Halloween, hey there pumpkin, that's cute. And then here we got, let me take that out because you're gonna be able to see it much better. Like I said, this is my first kit ever, and honestly, I'm impressed with the quality that this kit offers. Till now, at least. Like, wow, I'm surprised. Okay, so this is just this piece of paper doesn't open. Nope. So this is just mostly like to have that there. Okay, so let me take this out because I want to be able to show you better. That is so cute. That is like, wow, like an actual picture, but it looks just like, you look at it and it's just nice. Okay, so let me use this side. Here we got, I mean, this one, a lot of people have seen it, but let's just take a look again, right? We got the, I think it's like that. Oh, here's more stamps. Wow, okay. Have a gorgeous day. We'll get through this rough patch. Thankful and grateful for you. And then here is the pumpkins, and the cornfield, and the birds, and the, oh boy, how do you call that? The rat, I think. Anyways, and then the extra face if you want to put it on a pumpkin. That is so cute. Okay, I want to try it out. I want to start stamping some. Okay, I'm not sure about this, but I think I saw a picture or I read about it or something like that, that the ink, if you mix any specific color, or maybe I'm just wrong. Yeah, maybe I might be wrong. I thought like if you mix a specific color, you get a different color, which obviously, but let's see. I don't want to do this video too long, but I do want to try this out. I want to try the ink out. I never had this type of ink. And it says my monthly hero. Wow. Oh, I'm in love. I can't wait for next month, honestly. I can't wait for the next month to get this. I'm wondering if this fits. Oh, let me. I will try later. I don't think this is gonna fit though. In my Tim Holtz storage. Oh my god, here we go. Okay, like this. I hope you can see it there. Kind of, okay. Let me grab a piece of paper. I'm gonna use Nina. This is what I use mostly. So let's do that. Why is it so hard to get a piece of paper out? There we go. And then, I don't know if I have talked about this, and I wanted to mention it quick in this video. I love this stamping platform. I mean, some of you know I uploaded a video. I don't know if I still have it up or not, because I uploaded a video about the Misty that when I got it, and honestly I didn't like it. I think the quality was not that good and I wasn't happy with it, and I'm an honest person. Why would I lie? Everybody loves the Misty. I didn't like the other Hero Arts Misty. I returned it, and I'm returning it, but I got this one here. And this one here, I'm just in love with it. I actually have the Tim Holtz one, the travel size Tim Holtz one. Anyways, I love this stamping platform. This most thing that I love about it, which I thought is gonna be a problem for me, is that you can take this completely plate off, plate or whatever you want to call it. You can take it off, and you will think like, but hold on, I mean, there is two magnets here, right? And you can, you know, you attach like this. They're pretty strong. The magnets are strong. you will think that this is not gonna give you like an even, you know, stamp image, which is not true. It gives you perfectly, you know, layering stamp image. Another thing that I love about it, here is the side things, which I barely use, to be honest with you, in centimeters and in inches. I can put this wherever I want. Like, there is, you know, nothing about it. I think I might try some stuff out with this, and I'm gonna make just a little video about it, because I have some ideas in my mind that I want to do to it in case I need it, in case I just you know, I don't want to like be like this. Anyways, so yes, but you can put it like this, and I love it. I think this was a great purchase, and it was only like $25 on Amazon. I will find the link and I will put it down below in case you're interested in. I'm gonna try, I don't know how that works, but I'm gonna try to see if I can get an affiliated link. But we'll see about that. It's nothing to worry about right now. So yes, I love the stamping platform. I freaking love it. I recommend it. Okay, so let's try this out. Let me leave it here. I don't even know which one you're supposed to use first, to be honest. I think it should be this. Let's start it with this one. Okay, I might do it like this way. You wanna think for my subscribers? No, don't think, because then I get blocked from YouTube. But it's your own voice, so they cannot block for you to sing a song.
Quite honest, it's probably better.
That you don't think? Yeah, I know. I think so too.
No, it's better than virgin.
Okay, let's try this out now. I have no idea. I mean, I should have looked, right? I should have looked at a picture or something, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna be like a normal beginner. Is that how you say it, Bobby?
That's correct.
Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna be like a normal beginner that doesn't know what she's doing. And let's try this out for the first time, for if some of you are watching that got it for the first time too, or never had it before, so we can see now how this is gonna work. Now I'm a little bit confused though. I think this should be the grass, so I'm just gonna stamp it in green.
You think you got it?
Don't put me that song in my head, okay? That's my daughter's favorite song, one of them, because she has a lot of them. But oh my god, that song gets stuck in our heads. Okay, let's try. I have no idea. Like I say, you know what? Let me quick. I want to get my chamois wet quick. Oh god! Wow, this is not easy to open, which is good because we don't want that. Wow, very juicy stamp. Let's do like this. And I think I watched Jennifer McGuire's video, and I think that this ink stains this stamps, which obviously doesn't damage it, but just so you know that it does stain the stamps. I don't know what kind of ink this actually is, to be honest. Okay, that was not a good impression. Let's ink it again. Actually, but I like it because it looks kind of like grass. Like like grass, right? Yeah. Let's see. Let's try one more time. I think if I ink it a couple of times, it will be much better. Okay. Maybe the ink has to sit a little bit. I mean, I don't know if you can see it. I'm not happy with that. I don't know if that will go away. Or is it gonna stay like that? Is that normal? Like I said, this is my first time using this kit. Hero Arts kits in general. So I'm not a professional. I wish I had somebody that I can ask, like, hey, you know what? How do you get a good stamp image? Is that normal with the inks? I mean, I see a lot of people, like when I watched Jennifer Wire, she didn't use these ink tubes, I think. She used like her own. Maybe she knows. Let me look out. I think how much is here? This was one of my favorite ink Let's try. Probably better than that. No, not really. See, this is what I got sometimes a problem with this